Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to create a username in WhatsApp. WhatsApp now lets you create a unique username so people can find and contact you without needing your phone number. Let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Open the Play Store app, search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button next to WhatsApp, tap the update button and wait for the update to finish. Once WhatsApp has been updated, open the app. Tap the three-dot menu and select settings from the drop-down list. Then tap on your name. If the feature is available on your account, you will see the username option. Tap it. Then tap create username. Now enter the username you would like to use. If the username is available and meets WhatsApp requirements, you will see a confirmation. Keep in mind that usernames must be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, you will need to try a different variation. You will need to choose a different version by adding numbers, underscores, or making a small variation. Then tap Save to reserve it. If you are hoping to claim the same username as your Instagram username, simply type your Instagram username here. Tap on Login to Instagram. Confirm it right away to claim it on WhatsApp as well. That's it. You have reserved your username for WhatsApp. If you don't see the username option yet, don't worry. This feature is still rolling out. So make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp and check back after future updates. That's it. Your WhatsApp username is now set up and other people will be able to find and message you using your username instead of your phone number. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.